Hi there.
Hiya.
How you doing?
Busy, relaxed at the moment.
My name's Ronnie.
Ronnie?
I'm a street portrait photographer.
Oh.
I go around taking pictures of strangers. I take their portraits for them.
Yeah.
And I really love your look.
It's good.
Could I take a picture of you?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Thank you. You're amazing.
And
Can I show you my work? What I do?
yeah.
Yeah?
I think it's a report or what? Of
Oh.
oh, who is it? The
Yeah, so
family or what?
Oh.
Oh.
This one. So I take pictures of people.
Yeah, yes, this is beauty. Say
So this guy was serving me a coffee,
yeah.
and I asked the same
Beauty.
question. Can I take your picture?
Yeah.
And he
Yeah,
let me
nice.
take the picture. So I
Yeah.
speak to people.
Yeah.
I say hello. I introduce myself, and I take a picture.
No, it's nice, the face.
Beautiful face.
Yeah.
Everyone is beautiful.
Yeah.
Everybody is beautiful.
Mine are
All of
much,
these
so
people.
I don't
Oh,
know.
you're beautiful. You are beautiful.
Catastrophe problem.
What is your name?
Dia.
Dia.
Yeah.
I'm Ronnie.
Oh, nice.
Nice to meet you, Dia. Could I take a picture?
Yeah.
Yeah? Thank you so much. You're amazing.
But do open just a little bit. Open this? No.
No,
It's
yeah, like
better.
this is amazing.
Better. No, I'm interested. And
Dia, you're amazing.
sure.
You're beautiful.
Oh. Ah, come on. No, just belt.
Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming a little bit closer. Just look straight to the camera.
Ah, oh. Just minute.
Yeah, you can put the
Because
glasses.
it's the non-distance.
Yeah, of course. Thank you, dear.
And
You're amazing.
ah, come on, scary you.
You're amazing.
Scary you, everybody.
Beautiful.
This is just for good friends or for good. Not for good for best friends. It's good. Very nice.
Thank you so much, dear.
Importa more for one more busy.
You have a beautiful day, huh?
Yeah, not bad, good. Importa no rain.
It's not gonna rain. No.
No rain.
No, not today. Tomorrow.
Okay, Ronnie.
Thank you.
Say nice.
Bye bye.